Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn TikTok series into Q&A content even without a standard comment box using story replies creatively. Let's get started. First, you need to post a story with a Q&A prompt. Open the TikTok app and create a story. You can use text overlay or sticker to ask your audience a question like ask me anything or what do you want to learn? Remember, a story expires after 24 hours. Then here, review story replies in DMs. Viewers can reply directly to your story replies, go straight with your direct messages or DMs since TikTok doesn't show public comment replies on stories anymore. Then scroll through your story replies in your inbox and pick interesting question or prompts. Tap reply with video, record your answer and send it, and post with regular video and profile. And that's how you use a TikTok story replies to turn audience messages into a mini Q&A videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.